Let's stir up this Keema Phali, which is ground beef and green beans that is really good and really easy to make. What you need for this is 2 diced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 pounds ground beef, 2 cups diced green beans or phali, 1 teaspoon each crushed ginger, crushed garlic, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds, and turmeric powder, 3 to 4 whole green chilies, 1 piece sliced ginger, and quarter cup chopped coriander. You're gonna take your pot and you're gonna add about a quarter to half cup of oil and then fry your cumin seed on medium to low flame. After about a minute of frying your cumin seeds, you're going to add your diced onions and fry them into the cumin seeds and the oils. Just be careful that it doesn't splatter, so lower your flame if you need to. And after about 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna add your meat in here, as well as your garlic and your ginger, and you're gonna fry this for about 10 minutes. You want to make sure that the meat is no longer pink, so you're going to continuously stir this. We're using medium ground beef here. You can certainly use lean if you prefer as well. And after about 5 to 10 minutes, you can see my meat has browned. I'm going to add my tomatoes in here. You can certainly use tomato puree. I'm using fresh tomatoes for the best flavors. And after stirring it really well, so the tomatoes are mixed in with all the ground beef and the onions, we're going to add all our spices in here. You're just going to hold off on your slices of ginger and whole green chilies for later. Once you've added your spices, you're going to mix this really well, just so all the spices are mixed into all of the ground beef. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna, after 5 minutes, just lower the heat and you're gonna put the lid on your pan and you're gonna cook this in steam for 10 minutes. The reason we do this, we want to make sure that the tomatoes break and also the meat's cooked really nicely. After about 10 minutes, let's take a look. Oh, it already smells so good. Now we're just going to check our meat to make sure that it has been cooked really well. And you can just take a little bit and put it on your spoon and take a look at it. You can certainly taste it with a fork as well if you prefer. And once you've tested the meat, what you want to do is add your green beans. But before we do that, we just want to continuously stir and make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom, and also that you're stir frying this so the oil is separating really well. So you can just move it aside and you'll see like bubbles of the oil. That means the meat's ready. Now what you're going to do is take your green beans. We've already sliced them. You can leave them whole if you prefer. I just like them sliced so then they're mixed in really well. And I'm going to add about a half cup of water just so we can make sure that the beans cook well. That's just optional. If you want it to be more dry, you can omit the water. And I've also added my whole green chilies here. You can certainly add some fresh coriander or frozen coriander, which is what I had at home. Again, we're gonna mix this and we're gonna put the lid on top again and let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until you know the green beans have been cooked. We can take our lid off and really get the nice essence, the aromas of the green beans and the meat. And now we're just gonna add a little bit extra garam masala for some flavor. And what we're gonna do is just test, make sure that the green beans are ready to go. And now you can enjoy this on top of rice. You can enjoy it by itself. You can enjoy it with some roti or some naan bread. It's such a good dish to have. I'm sure you will love it once you try it. And here is a serving size. Just garnished with some of the ginger. And here are the ingredients for you to screenshot. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.